Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are making a chatbot in Python. So let's get started with it. So first we'll have to import random. No, not random. First we'll import OS. From OS import system, I'm going to tell you later what it does. So yeah, and now we have to take user input. So user is equal to input by user, so it will say user and a space. And now when you go down here, then you can say, so let's run this first. I didn't run this. So yeah, now you are getting input from the user, but when you say hello to the chatbot, it doesn't do anything because we haven't made anything. It's obvious. So yeah, and now we'll make the working guys. So yeah, and I don't like the space here, so I'll make it fine here. Yeah, so let's get started finally. And first we'll do if hello hello in user, then print hey. So what this hello is basically, because like if I do it hello and then if I run it, so see, when I say hello it will say hey, but when I run it again and say hello without caps, it will not do anything. So that's not what we want. We want to make it we don't want to make it like constant. So I said hello. So now if you say hello, and now it will print hey, and now if you say hello without caps, it will still print hey. So that's fantastic. And now we'll go to if um is your name in user, print my name is whatever, like let's say Roger. So yeah, run this. What is your name? My name is Roger. So I added is your name, so you can use both caps lock WH80 and without caps WH80. So now first time I use without caps, now I'm using what is your name with a question mark too. And now if I run it, see, my name is Roger again, so this is working fine. And yeah, let's do it. And yeah guys, you can make it customary user variable anything, and here also you can name it anything. I'll name it codemer because that's my username. So yeah, codemer. See, now I'm getting codemer. So you can change it guys, it's on your. So now if you see, when we run it and we do anything like what hello, if we say hello, so we are getting here, but now we are not getting again the user input, we are directly getting process finished with exit code 0. So we have to change that. For that we need a loop. So I didn't explain loop in my any of my videos, but basically guys, loops are with which we can repeat statements. So that's how it works. And tab for arrangement in PyCharm, that's great. PyCharm is really helpful. Tab, 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 and yes. And now if we run it again, so now if you say hello, okay, you can't see, so I'll like zoom it. Yeah. So that's, so now if we say hello, it will say hey, and now we get again this user input. It's not ending, so it's never ending. So if we say hello again, it will say hey, then we say what is your name, then we say what is your name with a question mark, then see, it's never ending, and when we like stop the process, it will give an error, and we don't want an error here. So we have to work on that. For that we have to add another statement, which is if end in user break. Break means you have to break the process. So now I'll show you. So here is it. Yeah, I'll say hello, then I say what is your name, then I'll say end. So see, process finished, we are not getting an error, and that's fantastic again. And yeah, so guys, I wanted to tell you that we are making like this, and like not in a GUI, not in a graphical user interface. We're directly making it in the terminal, but in like near future, I will make a video for GUIs too. That's a little bit complicated, so I just wanted to introduce you to the working of it so that you guys can understand how it works. And yeah, so guys, and I want your support. Like, I have only 37 subscribers, so I want to reach till 50. So please contribute. And I'm uploading videos for free. Like, you don't have to pay anything on YouTube, and subscribe buttons for free. You don't have to pay for it. So please do it, guys. So yeah, and now we move on to the code now. So if end, we have made it, and now we have to make joke, which is if tell me a joke in user, then print I don't know, really a joke. So let's open Chrome and find some jokes. Google.com, and yeah, so we'll say jokes, I guess, in English, obviously. One liner jokes, obviously. Okay, let's see this. Is there a joke or something here? Because I only want one liners. Make I want to make it short and crispy, so let's see. Okay. A fire hydrant has. Okay, did you hear about the Coca Cola calendar? Not 12 months. Did you hear the semicolon? The sentence. Okay, I'll do this one. And yeah, let's minimize this, and let's print it here. And now if we say tell me a joke, it will say, did you hear about the semicolon and the joke? And now if we say, hey, what's his name again? I don't remember. Is your name, there was something, what is his name? Yeah, Roger. So hey, Roger, tell me a joke. If we say that, it will still work. So that's again amazing. And now, yeah, so I didn't add that. Like, if we say, hey, Roger, if Roger in this user print I'm here. So now if we say Roger, it will say I'm here, but now if we say Roger, it will not do anything. So we'll have to add or Roger. And I have another idea, which is if Roger in user, it will say why are you shouting? Okay, let's make it funny. So yeah. So now if we use caps lock and say Roger, it will say why are you shouting at me? Oh, and it's still working. So that's amazing because it is even working for caps lock. So okay, and if we say anything which is not there, like A D, it was it's still saying I am here. So there is again some problem here. So okay, yeah. So we can make it if user is equal to Roger or Roger Then it will print I am here. So I think that should work. So now if we uh, say anything here, it's still not working. So I think I'll have to use that trick again, order one, and there's not border, no, there's nothing other than that. So if I say Roger, it will work. No, it's not working. Okay, if order in user, this should be in colon. There's some bug kind of thing, I guess. So that's why it's not working. I'll figure it out, guys. So now, okay, Roger. Yeah, now it's working. Roger, yes, it's working right now. So, okay, fine. And now we can, now if we say with caps lock, it will say, why are you shouting? And now guys, so now you see this is like there are no different answers. They're the same answers, which makes it boring. So for that, we can make a list. Okay, list one is equal to list. We'll make a list here, and list is like hey, hi, bonjour, I guess. And then hello, and then here. Okay. So now we have to import one library which is called random. We don't have to download it from anywhere. It comes with default, so you can just type here import random, and then you can say here print. Okay, print we have said random dot choice, which will take one answer from these five statements, and we will here say list one. Now let's run it. um let's say hello, it will say here. Let's say hello again, it will say Kodeba. Let's say hello again, it will not say Kodeba, it will say hey. And now hi, and now we're getting customary and different answers. See, we got bonjour, so that's amazing. And now it's still working, and so process finished. So that's amazing, guys. You can add any other statements here to make it more interesting. And there is even one library called OS. From OS you can import system, and it usually works in Mac OS, and you can try it in Windows. I don't really know. In Windows you have a library called PyTTSX3, with which you can make a voice recognition like system, like how Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri works. So with that, and so yeah, this usually works in Mac, this library, but I can show you. I can give you a glimpse of it. So let's change it from print to system, and here we can say, which is a command here, and we'll say F to add this statement, and we have to add it in the statement here. So yeah, where's the curly bracket here? So now if we run it, and if we say hello, I don't know if you heard that, but I guess you did, because the volume is like too much here. And okay, I'll show you again, guys. Let's say hello. So see, it said hello. And now if we say, we can even add it here, and system, and here we have to add say. Only then it will speak, otherwise it will not speak. So if we say hello, and then it will say, uh, what is your name? So it will say the statement which you print. That's amazing, guys. And with that, you can work on this. You can make more lists, add more customary answers, and so this was a short tutorial. I don't think it was too short. It's of 15 minutes. So yeah, it was long, but it was fine. I explained everything in this video. So I hope you got it, guys, and please subscribe the video. And I'm saying again and again, please subscribe the video, the channel, and like the video. And I'll see you guys in another video. So bye, guys.